It's a packed house at Stone Oak Elementary.
You want to just cut directly, just completely off.
Reagan High School student Samantha Sanchez is showing more than 50 teachers how to make blankets.
I got the inspiration from a service project that I did in 4th grade where we made blankets for kids with cancer, and that's how the idea really started. From then, the following year, I wanted to make blankets for kids who are at risk for homelessness.
Samantha is the founder of the nonprofit Sam's Covers. They've provided over 2,000 warm blankets to local children in need.
I want to emphasize that the blanket, it's not just the material blanket itself, but rather it's the symbol of love and comfort. And that's really my goal, to comfort these kids who might have gone through some trauma at home and neglect, and to also empower them and to make them feel like I'm not just a victim in this.
And now she's back in the elementary school where it all started, with Miss Ryder's blanket making service project.
To be quite honest, Samantha wasn't in my room. But she would come over and join when we would make them. And I remember when I met her, you could just tell she had a heart for that kind of thing. She was super in tune to others' needs and how to make people feel comfortable and things that she wanted to do. So it's kind of impressive to see, such a young student kind of have that heart.
In 2012, I officially became a 501c3 nonprofit.
And now this NEISD kid is inspiring the very people who inspired her.
I really think there's something to be said about community service and instilling those qualities and the acts of service from when students are young. And this is just a testament to what it can do, and it lit a spark within her, and then now look at her, she's helping so many people.
Discover the NEISD way, where our educators motivate students to find their passion and impact the community around them.